Hello everybody, welcome back. So Pete is back.
I'm back
from his trip to the Bahamas, and we're here on Wednesday evening getting ready to assemble the trans to the engine and hopefully get it stabbed in before the night's over. So
we're staying until it's done.
Yeah, we don't got to work tomorrow.
We don't have to work tomorrow. We're
Hey, you're not working tomorrow?
No.
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving for us.
Oh, of course.
You want some turkey?
So I am going to start out by taking the distributor out, putting some oil into the distributor hole and priming it, because we didn't do that last time, so I want to get that done before it goes together. You stab it in there.
Put a new filter on as well.
Yeah, and they're going to get on to cleaning up the bell housing.
Yep. You bought
Get that
your
ready to stab on.
yeah.
I got my my cleaner, lots of paper towels. And we're going to take the engine off of here. Once we assemble the cherry picker, start getting the trans, the bell housing, and everything squared back up and clutch. And we'll
spec clutch.
we'll keep bringing you back through as things happen. You already break one?
Break one.
Oh, the end of it.
Your hand prophylactic is already busted.
All right. So we got ourselves the shaft from an old TFI distributor. I just took the gear off, pulled the shaft out, now we got a oil pump primer. Already got pressure. It's everywhere. I call that good.
How do you know it's going the right way?
It's always counterclockwise.
Okay.
It's counterclockwise.
If you look at a Ford distributor, they all go counterclockwise. And Chevy, since the distributor's at the back, goes clockwise. All right, we're putting the clutch on, and while we're doing that, we're jiggering this thing around, and we noticed that the ring gear was loose. Hold the motor. I'm jiggering all around when I'm doing this.
You can see the loose one right there.
So we got to get to this bolt back there.
He said we.
It was loose all around.
5,000 RPM launches,
That's
mate.
what it is. Flywheel's off. And here's the situation. These bolts, there's 3 of them around the edge, and Spec, the company I love to hate, welded the bolts to the ring gear to prevent them from turning. Well, these 2 are cracked, but there's still the flywheel, the ring gear should be tight on the flywheel with a friction fit. So this is the only bolt that's still hanging on. So we're going to knock this weld off, get the ring gear off, and see what we're going to do about making it tighter, shimming it, and getting it all back together. So this is going to be some ghetto.
Don't do this at home.
What do they call ghettos in England?
Shit.
Project?
Council house.
Project? This is the council house.
Council house. Oh, that's gonna
Council house
offend a
ass
few
shit.
people.
So, alright, let's get this weld knocked off.
Alright, I'll give it some fuck up.
Like a glove.
Let's go around a little bit. Is it going?
Yep. Up. Just gonna rain.
Yep.
Yes.
Pouring.
Actually spanned quite a bit. Flame up.
Yeah, you can see it shrinking. It's definitely getting tighter around the sides.
You hear it?
Yep.
Oh yeah. It's lined right up. How ghetto is this?
Quite possibly one of the most genius and yet stupid things at the same time. Whatever. All this will get edited out anyway. It's not gonna matter.
So if I was living in the States, I'd just buy a new one.
Yeah,
throw that away.
exactly.
We're trusting this stands the test of time.
Yeah.
That's better.
Now,
Hey Pete, don't watch this part.
you got a razor blade?
I was just gonna go.
Pete, I thought you were just gonna disappear. You just you're.
I'm going to bed.
Welcome back.
Oh, as soon as the moment we touched it and it went ching
Yeah,
ching.
it started.
in my head, I'm
Yeah.
like,
This just put us back. So when Pete's at the track, we can say you got beat by a car made out of aluminum foil. Those are bragging rights.
You want to hold it yourself?
Yeah, so you don't cut Mike's hand off.
Yeah, I'll just move it around a lot. So. Bolts have been welded, clearanced up, and yeah, this thing is tight. So, man, what a fix!
Do not do this at
I mean,
home.
there's no reason why it shouldn't be fine.
It'll be solid.
I mean, the pressure from a heat shrunk fitting
It's just
is
gonna
not
crimp it.
going anywhere.
Yeah, it's just
So
it's just gonna be tight.
it's gonna be way better than what it was,
Well, way better than it was an hour and a half ago. That's for damn sure.
which was loose and
Clean,
not-
clean.
I can't believe you broke it, John.
No, well, you know, it doesn't take much for me to
I
break.
told you not to touch it.
So, all right, let's get some Loctite
Right.
and let's get the sucker back in there. Alright. I'm gonna get a wrench, spanner,
Spanner.
tighten these ones down,
Right.
and that looks like 9/16 for
And it's spanner, not spanner.
It's a spanner, not spanner.
Spanner.
For us Americans, it's called a wrench, so that we don't have to say spanner.
And people like you, we call spanners. It's just getting in the way now.
Now you've taken my position.
Here you go, Pete. You got this. Tighten up bolts up. All right, the big ones are tight. Get in there. Pull the splines.
It's time to depress
Yep.
because it's not lining up.
All right. Trying not to let it hang too heavy on you.
And that input.
I don't know if this has got enough room. So this is the car.
There you go. Keep wiggling. You're almost there. Keep going. There you go. Boom. Pay dirt. You are in.
Perfect. John and Peter up under the car. I don't know if you got any eyes down there. They're trying to make
Oh
the
man, let's spray that off.
speedometer sensor
Let me clean that off.
for
Hang
Pete's
on a
autometer
second. Hold that.
gauges fit in the back of the TKX before we can get this cross member up and in.
$2,500 for a gearbox and I'm grinding it away.
Yep.
Let me get under here, see what you're working with.
Lovely job I've done there. That.
Oh yeah.
Hey Pete,
Thank you.
do you need more? Here's the speedo. Do you need more paper towels?
Nope.
Okay.
You hold that?
Look at that, I get out of the way for 2 seconds. And
I'm
that takes my
laying
spot.
down on the job down here now.
Takes my job. Yeah, you get me working, and then as soon as I get out of the place, you know, whatever.
There we go.
Well,
I knew that would work as soon as I left.
okay, so there is a little nut down here somewhere.
Because we are going to get this cross member in and this engine settled before we get out here tonight. It's already like 11:15.
It's almost Thanksgiving, goddammit.
We're the first time zone to be in Thanksgiving. So, alright, get out of here. Got the stiffless cross member we're working with. Alright, are you guys all resting on everything?
Yeah, it's seated.
Alright, I'm going to lower it down.
Well, let me get my head out of the way.
It'll
just in
move
case.
a little bit.
Okay.
There it is. Let me get this engine hoist out of here. Yeah, so we got to do the same spacer mod for the shifter handle.
Or should I say leads? Leads the Sheffield.
They're giggling away. They're tired. So,
Yeah, I'm getting too old for this shit.
God damn.
yep. All right, so we're just sitting on the cross member, sitting on the engine mounts, but the engine is in and trans are in.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Good place to stop for the night.
Man, that was a good one.
We're gonna get all this cleaned up another day. It's late. We're shutting her down.
Yeah.
Tell me when. Up, preferably.
Yeah, I'm going up.
Shutting it down. Gonna get home. Still got about a half an hour, 40-minute drive to get home. Be well after midnight. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so
Can I come
nothing
back
to do other than eat and get tired. So there we go.
Way.
All right. Catch you guys soon.